Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete multiple pages in Word. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to delete multiple pages in Word, first what you need to do is open up your start menu and then on the search bar type in Word, right? And if you don't have it, just click on Microsoft Office and you should have an interface like this, right? Now simply select the Word option here and then click on blank document. And once you click on it, you'll be transferred to a page something like this, right? Now if you have multiple pages, a simple way what you can do is just select the whole thing, right? Just tap on Ctrl A, and now all you gotta do is press delete. And once you do that and tap on delete, the page will be deleted as there is no subject, right? Now the next method that you can do is on your Word pressing Ctrl+G, right? And once you do that, here you'll open navigation option, and under it you'll find headings, find, replace, and the next option that you'll find as being my file option, and there is not available option of go to, so simply tap on go to, and then all you gotta do is select the page option on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side all you gotta do is enter the page number that you want to delete, and then just tap on OK, and that page will be deleted. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.